back sa ating FB page na Review with Leonalyn at sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. Let's do basic fraction. So, meron itong tatlo. Pwede nyo akong unahan kung paano to i-solve. Pwede nyo i-post yung video muna. And then, anyway, let's do number 1. Solve 4 over 7 minus 1/3. Kapag mag-add and subtract tayo ng mga fractions, dapat pareho yung ating denominator. Ang tawag dyan ay least common denominator. So hanapin natin yung least common denominator. Unang-una, ang nandito yung mga denominators natin ay mga prime numbers. Bali yung mga numbers na ma-divide lang by 1 and itself. So pwede natin itong isolve using yung butterfly method. So this is 21. Kung ito i-multiply natin, that is 12. And then itong 7, i-multiply natin sa 1, this is 7. So therefore, 21, yung nasa taas, 12 minus 7, and that is 5. So 5 over 21. Isa pa, 4 over 7 minus 1/3. Doon tayo sa least common least common denominator. Si 7 ang pinakamalaki. Multiple of 7, si 7 hindi kayang i-divide ni 3. Ang next dito ay 14. Hindi kayang i-divide ni 3. Ang next ay 21. Si 21 ay kaya nang i-divide ni 3, kaya yan na yung least common denominator natin. 21 divided by 7, that is 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 21 divided by 3, and that is 7. 7 times 1 equals 7. Kopyahin yung 21 na denominator. 12 minus 7, and this is 5. So therefore, ito na yung sagot. Next, number 2. Sa multiplication of fractions, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Pero ngayon, meron tayong mixed fractions or mixed numbers. May whole number at fraction. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay i-convert muna natin ito to improper fraction. So, therefore, 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1, and that is 5. Kopyahin yung 2 sa denominator. 1 times 5 equals 5 plus 3, and this is 8. Kopyahin si 5 na denominator. Para mas madali natin itong i-multiply or i-solve, sa fraction kasi numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Mas madali na i-cancel na lang natin si 5 sa taas, 5 sa baba, and then 8 divided by 2, and this is 4. So yan na yung sagot. Otherwise, si 5 over 2 na i-multiply natin sa 8 over 5. 5 times 8, this is 40. 2 times 5, this is 10. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. Next, find the value of 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 3. Remember, sa division of fraction, kopyahin si 5 over 6. Itong division maging multiplication. Baliktarin natin ito. 3 over 2. So, pwede na natin siyang isolve. 5 times 3, and this is 15. 5 times 2, this is 12. I-simplify natin ito by finding the greatest common factor, which is 3. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. 12 divided by 3, and this is 4. Isa pang paraan. 5, 6 times 3, 3 over 2. Ito kasi ay pwedeng parihong ma-divide ng 3, or yung greatest common factor ay 3. So 6 divided by 3, this is 2. Ito 1 na yan siya. 5 times 1, that is 5. 2 times 2 equals 4. So therefore, ito na yung sagot. Thank you for watching and all. I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa video ito. Thank you and God bless.